Now the next step is to decide what kind of sunglasses I want. If you look at this, you can see that there are two shapes that are the same, and then there are some strips. So your job is to decide what color you want your sunglasses to be, and I've picked this sort of red-violet color. And I want to start by cutting at least 2 strips of paper. Remember how we cut the strips? You can use a ruler to draw them, or you can just do your best. Strips. So then we'll have one that goes in the middle, and then we can cut this in half and do the sides. And then I can take the leftovers, and I'm gonna fold this in half. And now I get to decide what kind of shape I want my sunglasses to be. I think I'm gonna go with an oval. So I'm gonna make a big kind of O shape or 0 shape. And because this is folded, when I cut once, I'm gonna have 2 shapes that can be my sunglasses. So now my job is to kind of lay this out. Where do I want my eyes to go? Right, and my circles go on top. And then I'll want to cut this in half, so I can have part of it sticking out on each side. So now that I have it where I want it, it's time for me to glue. I'm gonna take the circles off first because I want to glue this down. I can just put glue right where it is, and then I'm gonna flip it over. Give it a good push, and then I'm going to glue these. Now remember, part of this goes off the paper, so I'm only putting glue on half of it. And then I'm going to line this up right here so it's at the same area and angle it up. And then 2 dots over here. Angle it up. And then I can glue my glasses down. And this shape is going to fill in where that is empty. So I'm gonna have purple all the way across my design. Do my best to line those up. Now, I just need to come up with a mouth and inside. So make these look like sunglasses. I'm gonna take a black piece of paper. I'm gonna make another shape, but this time it's gonna be smaller. Again, folding the paper, doing my best cutting, turning this paper as I hold it so that it's nice and smooth with my curve and checking. Oh yes, I like those. So now I can glue my sunglass part in. The black makes it look like sunglasses. Dot, dot, not a lot. And then the final step is your smile. So you'll take a second black sheet of paper and you're gonna create sort of like a D shape, or you can make this as silly or as goofy as you want. This one here is sort of a C shape, like a kidney bean. I'm gonna make mine a little bit straighter on the top, and I'm just going to kind of do a curve. Maybe it'll be big here, and then it'll kind of come up and be small on this side. Let me make that a little bit smoother. And there we go. I'll glue that down. Then I'm gonna double check my name. On the back, which I know I covered up, so I need to write that again. Maybe I'll put it down here this time. And then this goes in the drying rack to dry.